Pete the Kitty, Wash Your Hands by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete's hands are not clean. I'll help you, said Bob. Watch me. Turn on the water, Bob says. Then wet your hands. Splish. Scrub your hands with soap. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse your hand with water. Splash. Then dry your hands. Rub, rub, rub. Now you try it, Bob says. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Ta-da, says Pete. Great job, says Bob. You must wash your hands many times a day, says Bob. When? asks Pete. Wash your hands after you play. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands when you throw the trash away. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands before you eat. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands after a treat. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands when someone is sick. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands if you have to pick. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands if you sneeze, cough, or blow. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. And please wash your hands after you go. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. I've got it, said Pete. Thank you, Bob. Have fun, Bob says. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Did you wash your hands? Mom asked. Yes, says Pete. We learned a valuable lesson is that cats do not have hands, instead they have paws. But it's true, you should wash your hands after you do something that is very dirty and messy to keep your hands clean and also to keep yourself clean away from others that are dirty. So see ya on the next book, and don't be Karens. See ya.